अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह।
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Now we will start our second lesson for today. Muhammadun talibun fil madrasati sanwiyati. Muhammad is a student at the secondary school. Madrasati Sanwiya, secondary school. Secondary school. Muhammad is a student at the secondary school. In this, okay, umruhu, his age. Umruhu, his age. Umruhu tis'a asharata sanatan. Wahuwa yaskunu fi baitin jamilin fi hayyil matari. His age is 19 years. His age is 19 years. Tis'a asharata sanatan, 19 years. Tis'a ashara, 19. His age is 19 years. Wahuwa yaskunu, and he lives in. Wahuwa yaskunu, he lives in. He lives in fi baitin jamilin, in a beautiful house. Baitin jamilin, beautiful house. And he lives in a beautiful house. Ya tinggal di rumah cantik. He lives in a beautiful house. Fi hayyil matari, in the airport area. In the airport area. Matar, airport. In the airport area. Fi shari il Qudusi, at the Shari Qudus. At the Qudus Street. Shari il Qudus, Qudus Street. Qala Muhammad said. Qala Muhammad said, Ya walidi, O my father. Muhammad said, Ya walidi, O my father, La astati'un nauma, I cannot sleep. La astati'u, I cannot nauma, sleep. I cannot sleep. Wala astati'u, wala astati'ul qira'ata, and I cannot read. I cannot sleep, I cannot read. Sautu ta'iratin, Mus'ijun. Sautun tairatun mus'ijun. Mus'ijun. Sautun means sounds. Sound. Tairatun airplanes. Mus'ijun disturbing. Disturbing. Disturbing, uncomfort, uncomforting. Disturbing, uncomforting. Limaza la nantaqilu ila baitin jadidin. Why we don't shift? Nantaqila shift. We shift. Limaza la nantaqila. Why we don't shift ila baitin jadidin, to the new house. To the new house. Why we don't shift to the new house? Limaza la nantaqilu ila baitin jadidin. Why we don't shift to the new house? Qala Muhammad. Muhammad said, Ya walidi, O my father, la astati'un nauma, I cannot sleep. Wala astati'ul qira'ata, and I cannot study. Al qira'ata, study, read. I cannot study. Sautu ta'iratin mus'ijun. The sounds of the planes is disturbing, uncomforting. Limaza la nantaqilu ila baitin jadidin. Why we don't shift to the new house? Qala waliduhu. His father said. Waliduhu, his father. Qala waliduhu, his father said, Isbir ya walidi. Isbir wa walid ya walidi. Be patient, O my son. Isbir, be patient. Be patient, ya walidi, ya waladi, O my son. Isbir ya waladi. Be patient, O my son. Hazihi akhiru sanatin. This is the last year. Hazihi akhiru sanatin. This is the last year. Lil mataril qadimi, of the old airport. This is the last year of the old airport, or this is last year for the old airport. Hazihi akhiru sanatin lil mataril qadimi. This is the last year for the old airport. Qala Muhammad. Muhammad said, Wa halil matarul jadidu dakhilil madinati aidan. And is the new airport. Wa halil matarul jadidu, is the new airport. New airport. Dakhil al madinati aidan, also inside the city. Is the new airport also inside the city? Wa halil matarul jadidu dakhil al madinati aidan, is the new airport also inside the city? Qala waliduhu, his father said, La, no. Al matarul jadidu kharij al madinati. The new airport is outside the city. Al-Matarul Jadidu, the new airport. The new airport is outside the city. Ibtasama Muhammadun summa tanawala kitabuhu. Ibtasama Muhammadun, Muhammad smiled. Muhammad smiled. Summa, then. Summa, then tanawalat, he took. Tanawala, he took. Kitabuhu, his books. Then he took his book. Ibtasama Muhammadun summa tanawala kitabuhu. Muhammad smiled and took his books. This is our lesson for today, the second lesson. Is there any question you want to ask? Any meaning, any sentence you want I repeat or I retranslate? Any one of you want to ask any question?
Ustaz, can you repeat the 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5 last row and the yeah.
Which one?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 row, the 5th row from the end.
Which one?
Fi hayyi matar, fi syarri kudis. What does it mean?
Where is it? You read again.
Fi hayyi matari, fi syarri Quds.
Shari is
Fi syarri Quds, what does it mean? What does it mean?
Qudus Strait. Qudus Strait.
Kudus Street.
Shari means strait. Qudus Strait. At the yes.
Fi hayyi syarri Kudsi.
Fi Shari il Qudus, at the Qudus Strait.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Wait. Umruhu tisa asharata sanatan. Umruhu tisa asharata sanatan. His age is 19 years. Wahuwa yaskunu, and he lives in Fi Baitin Jamilian, a beautiful house. Fi Hayyil Matari, in the area of airport. So this is one sentence. Wahuwa yaskunu fi baitin jamilin fi hayyil matari. Dia tinggal di rumah cantik dalam kawasan airport. Dia tinggal di rumah cantik dalam kawasan airport. Hayyi mean kawasan. Kalau hayyi, kawasan. He lives in a beautiful house in the area of airport at Shari il Qudus Strait.